Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can mark expenses, employee or director's expenses, as paid on Clearbooks accounting software. So currently I'm on Age Creditors report and I can see that John Smith, I own 945 to him, and to Rita K I own 3335. So they both are employees. So how I can mark these two as paid? Need to go to money and click on bank accounts. Select bank account from which I have paid to these two employees. In my case, I have decided to pay from my cash, so I will click money out. You still have option to change bank account if you wish to. Money amount, what I have paid to both employees are 42.80 in total, and I paid on 10th of August. Description, I will put expenses paid. And now I can explain money out. By that, I can allocate those outstanding transactions or invoices. So I need to select John and allocate to existing invoice. And I need to also select Rita, and there's 33.35 and allocate to existing. So now 42.80 are made up from these two transactions, and I can add transaction. So now when I go to reports and I look at my Age Creditors, there is no more John and no more Rita. And if I go to money and click on my petty cash, there is expenses paid for 42.80. So in this episode I showed you how you can mark expenses as paid on Clearbooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my Clearbooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.